Generally speaking, the sensing range of a proximity sensor can be adjusted with a potentiometer or teach-in button. On the GR18, the sensing range is adjusted by a 270-degree potentiometer. Clockwise rotation will increase the sensing range and counterclockwise rotation will reduce the sensing range. The green indicator LED shows the power-up status of the sensor and the orange LED shows the switching output. For proper adjustment, move the target into the light beam, adjust the switching threshold by using the potentiometer, and that's it. To compare the energetic version with the background suppression version, we are using three different versions of the GR18. A background suppression version, an energetic version with a sensing range of 400 mm, and an energetic version with 800 mm sensing range. All sensors are adjusted to the same range, which is 100 mm on a black target. But caution, as the sensor with background suppression is suppressing the background reliably, no matter which color of the target, the energetic sensors detect different colors at different switching points. As we adjusted the energetic sensor on dark black, lighter colors will still be detected even further away from the sensor. The larger the sensing range of the sensor, the larger the difference. Let's try this out with some different colored objects. One can see that light colored objects provide longer sensing ranges than dark objects. One fundamental specification criteria for a background suppression version is the so-called black-white shift, which basically gives an indication how large the difference between a bright and a dark-colored object is. This is, in applications, just the same as the minimum object height or the necessary difference between object and background. To make use of the maximum performance of our background suppression versions, we recommend a black-white shift which is less than 20% of the set scanning range. Comparing the background suppression version with the 400 mm energetic version, we will have the following situation. The background suppression version is able to suppress the white background with a shift of 10% at a sensing range of 100 mm, which means the sensor is able to suppress the background after 110 mm, which is just the same as a minimum object height of 10 mm or a difference between object and background of at least 10 mm. The performance strongly depends on the type of sensor that is used. When using the energetic sensor, which is also adjusted to 100 mm on black, the white background needs to be much farther away, at around 400 mm to be not detected as an object. This means that a dark object in front of a bright background can only be detected if it has a minimum height of 300 mm. Compare the 10 mm of the background suppression sensor and the 300 mm of the energetic sensor with the same setting.